A person stares at two versions of an email, their original and an AI rewrite that sounds polished but strangely unlike them. They pause, scroll, and look unsure which one to send. You ask AI to clean up your writing, and suddenly it sounds like someone else wrote it. That's the moment to know this. AI can revise your words, but it can also flatten your voice. This shows up in real life when you use AI for emails, cover letters, LinkedIn posts, school messages, or client replies. The writing gets smoother, but warmer, sharper, funnier, or more direct can quietly disappear. Think of your writing voice like handwriting. It's not just the message, it's the rhythm, the little phrases, the level of formality, the way you sound on your best day. AI is good at making writing neat, but neat is not the same as personal. So don't ask AI to rewrite this better and hope for the best. If your writing matters because it sounds like you, then your job is not just to improve the draft, it's to protect the parts that feel human. Here's a simple shift. Ask AI to fix specific problems while keeping your voice, instead of asking it to take over the whole piece. Try this habit. First, paste your draft and say what to fix: clarity, grammar, structure, or tone. Second, add a guardrail like, keep my sentence style, keep my level of warmth, and don't make this sound corporate. Third, compare your version and the AI version side by side. Keep the useful fixes. Put back any phrases, humor, or directness that sound like you. If it's important, ask AI one more time. What changed about my tone? Before you send anything, read it out loud. If you wouldn't actually say it, change it. And for job or work writing, make sure AI didn't add claims, polish away honesty, or reveal anything private. Good AI writing help is not make this impressive. It's make this clearer without making it less me. That's the mindset. Remember, AI can improve writing while quietly sanding off your voice. Don't hand it the wheel. Give it a specific editing job. Compare, restore, and send only what still sounds like you. What task should we tackle next? Subscribe to AI Can Help for simple workflows you can use right away.